Welcome to the Letter Learners app. When you open the app, a splash screen appears. Navigate to the Get Started button to enter the login screen. If you don't have an account, proceed to the Sign Up screen and create an account. While if you already have an account, input your email and password. Upon logging in, you'll find the student dashboard with four main features. First is the Read screen, includes many screens. Clicking on the alphabet A, B, C opens a screen displaying words like apple, ball, cat with corresponding voices for learning. Go back and move to the 1, 2, 3 number screen that have 1, 2, 3, up to 10. On every module, when the full screen's done, the kid will get reward. Go back and move to any screen you want. Let's say the animal screen for various animals displays animals, cow, and etc. You can explore other screens like plants, fruits, vegetables. Let Open Fruits screen is there for kids to display different fruits, banana, apple, and vice versa. In Little Learners app, students have access to many features. Let's take an eye on Name of Days. Here is the Days of the Week screen. It displays all days. Monday, Tuesday, till Sunday. Returning to the dashboard, discover 3 more screens. The Draw screen allows kids to explore different drawing options. After drawing colors, kid can choose more than one color or use the eraser. Pressing the check button provides a reward. Go back from Color screen and Drawing screen, navigate to Dashboard to open other module. That is the General Knowledge screen, featuring multiple quizzes. Forward button to move next. Correct answers turn the button green, while incorrect answers turn it red. Go back to access the last module settings, where you can view your account information. Username, user email, and view the password. You can also update it. To close this screen, you can log out from account. Parent console, allowing parents to view and manage their child's account. Upon login, the dashboard here shows multiple options. The child profile shows the child information that can be updated if needed. The Reset Password feature allows parent to reset password for kids screen by using different methods. The Report module in dashboard of parent shows the real-time data that kid use specific screen for how much time. The Settings screen allow to change setting of kids screen. The menu bar includes child profile, report, reset password, settings, and logout features. Log out from the parent console to exit the app.